So this video is a short recap of our beginners solo rumba routine number 1, and this has been taught previously in a full class. So if you're looking at this in the playlist and you need to look over the full 1-hour class, please do so. Beginners solo rumba routine 1, and this is just a brief recap so we can remember the steps that we did. I'm going to face the front. In fact, before I face the front, the rhythm, we did 2, 3, 4, and then we held on 1. Okay, just counting in bars of 4. I'm going to start with my right foot and I'm going 2, 3, 4, hold on 1, 2, 3, 4, hold on 1. I then did a back rock on my right, 2, 3, 4, side cucaracha, 2, 3, 4, 1. We opened to the right on the next 2 and we did hips, 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 and then hips, hips, hips. We dragged in over the end of that bar and then we went into the next step, which was a back rock opening into a hip twist, right, rocks back, replace the weight, walk forwards, twist, dragging in the left foot, and then we went for a walk into the fan. Left and right, turned on the balls of the feet, stepped back on the left, close in, transfer the weight, forwards and forwards. We had 2 options for those that didn't want to turn and those that are okay with turning. So option 1 without turning was a side cucaracha, 2, 3, and a little weight transfer. So instead of closing the foot in, 2, 3, 4, which we normally do, we're going to leave the foot there, rock, rock, rock. So it's left, right, left for the weight transfer. Those that were turning did a little spot turn from here and they took the left foot over, left and right, and then side to join the people that weren't doing the turning and already had the feet open. We then had back on the right, opening out, right and open, left and open. Third one, we're just going to take the step back, right, left, right for weight transfer, and left, right, left, weight transfer again. And at the very last part, dragging the foot in so we can start over again. I'm going to count that all the way through with the timing. Here we go. From here on the spot, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. There we go. That's our solo rumba routine number 1 in our beginners solo ballroom Latin. I'll see you in the next video.